Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to test the capacitance of BP002325 Relay Board PCB in SG60KTL Inverter. You can use a multimeter that having a function to test the capacitance. Step number 1. Select the capacitance on your multimeter. Step number 2. Tap the negative probe to the neutral point and another positive probe on the first point and record the value. Do for the second point and the third point as in this video. From this video, you can see the value of the first point is lower than the point number 2 and 3. Let's try to another new relay board to make a comparison. You can repeat the same as the previous step. As you can see, all the capacitance within the same range, and this is healthy PCB board. You may also perform this directly from your inverter without removing the PCB. However, you need to disconnect all cable connections to the PCB before running the test. Also, make sure to isolate both the AC and DC power to the inverter before doing anything. I hope this video helps. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more solar inverter tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.